Okay, we're going to multiply these two algebraic fractions, these two rational expressions. And you know the deal, we are going to factor, and then cancel things out. So let's start with this one. This is a trinomial, and it's a harder situation because we have a 2 in front of the x squared. And also, unfortunately, we don't have a common factor for the 2, -5, and -12. Anyway, we can still factor this out. We can do it by the tic-tac-toe method because it has 3 terms. And let me just show you guys all the work right here. Let me write down the equation again. 2x squared minus 5xy minus 12y squared. And then I will do this with the tic-tac-toe method, okay? What times 12 will give us 2x squared? Well, let me use 2x times x. And now, what times 12 give me -12y squared? Maybe we can use 2 and -6, or maybe -1 and 12, or something like that. 3 and -4, right? But I'm going to use 3 and 4, and let me put it down here for now, because I notice if I do 2 times 4, that will give me 8. And then 3 times 1, that will be 3. And you know, I want to get -5. So I'm going to put down -4 right here, and that's going to work. Also be careful. You see, this is y squared, so we must have the y and y right here. This is one of the reasons why I like the tic-tac-toe method so much better than the others, because you can make sure if you're doing this right or wrong along the way. Check this out. 2x times -4y, it will be -8xy, right? 2 times -4 is -8, and then the x times y, like that. And next, 3y times x, that will be positive 3xy. Together, these two will add up to be -5, and you have the like term, xy. So you know this is the correct choice for that. Okay, that's the check mark. And now I will just put on the factoring on top. So for the first one, we will have 2x plus 3y. Let me just put this down right here. 2x plus 3y times x minus 4y. Just like this. And now we do the same for this one. And let me write it down for you guys right here. We have 4x squared plus 8xy plus 3y squared. And then do the tic-tac-toe real quick. Okay, 4x squared, let me put down 2x times 2x. That will give me 4x squared. And to get 3y squared, let me put down 3y and y. And you see this is actually going to be right, because 2x times y is 2xy. 3y times 2x, that's 6xy. They are both positive. When you add them up, you end up with positive 8xy. And that's what we need in the middle. So for that one, we have 2x plus 3y. And let me put this down right here. 2x plus 3y. And then on the bottom, like the second one right here, 2x plus y right here. Okay, so that's a factoring for that. And now let's do another one right here. So as you can see by now, you have to be really good in factoring. Otherwise, you will have a much harder time with rational expressions. All right, so for this one, let's put down 2x squared plus 7xy plus 3y squared. And we will factor this out real quick. To get 2x squared, let's put down 2x and x. To get 3y squared, and I have to produce a positive 7xy in the middle. I know 2 times 3 will be 6, and then I can just add one more, right? So let me put down 3y here, and then the y on the top. Both of them being positive, and you'll see this times that is 6xy, and then y times x is of course just x times y. And add them up, you do get the 7xy that we need. So this also checks. So for that one, we will have 2x plus y. And the second one is x plus 3y. Okay? And finally, for this right here, x squared minus 16y squared, let me just do that right here for you guys real quick. X squared minus 16y squared, it has only 2 terms, isn't it? And to do this, we look at this as x squared minus something squared. This is 16, so I have to put down 4 inside, because 4 squared is 16. And then I will also have to attach the y, right? Y squared, we get the y squared. Okay, for this then, I will have x minus 4y times x plus 4y. That's the difference of two squares formula. And now I can just put this down right here. X minus 4y times x plus 4y. Okay, so this is what we have. And now, is there anything you can cancel out? Hopefully, right? This is how to do it, starting with this one first. This is 2x plus 3y. And we do have a 2x plus 3y right here. Even though it's from the same fraction, we can still cancel them out, okay? As long as it's a factor on the top and a factor on the bottom, they're exactly the same. We can cancel them out. So do that here and here. Next one, this is x minus 4y, and I see that we have this right here, so we can cancel them out. And how about this? This is 2x plus y, and we have that right there. So we can cancel this out with that. Finally, this is another difference, so they survive. And we will just have this for the final answer, x plus 3y over x plus 4y. This is it. Okay.